Hello! Today I am making St. Patrick's Day shot glasses using the Vinci Eye app to trace. I picked up these square shot glasses from Amazon, and the first thing I'm doing is I'm marking a small lip around each side of the glass with a ruler and a dry erase marker. Then I carefully tape it all the way around. This will create a nice clean edge. Now it's time to design. I'm using the Vinci Eye app to trace the image onto my glass directly. I'm using a dry erase marker just in case if I make any mistakes. For the design, I chose a St. Patrick's themed charms, for these are meant for a festive celebration. When you think of St. Patrick's Day, you think of green, gold, and a little fun. So that's exactly the vibe I'm going for here. I'll let you watch as I trace the designs. Once the tracing is done, it's time to paint. I'm using stained glass paint from DecoArt. I'm starting with the leading first. For the charms on each glass, I decided to use gold to give them a festive pop. And for the leading on the rest of it, I decided to use black to keep that classic stained glass look and help everything stand out. After outlining, I carefully removed the tape and added a clean line across the top edge. This helps prevent any stained glass paint from dripping beyond the designed areas. Let the outline dry for about 24 hours before moving on to the next step, adding the color. Fill in each section with a generous amount of stained glass paint, using a toothpick to spread into the corners and remove any air bubbles. It is best to work on one side at a time and letting each dry completely, usually about 12 to 24 hours per side. So this is definitely going to be a project that requires some patience. Once all the painting is completely finished, let it dry for a full 4 days. Now it's time to bake. Place the glass into a cool oven. Do not preheat it. Then set the oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 30 minutes. When the timer goes off, turn off the oven and leave the glasses inside to completely cool. Letting them cool gradually in the oven helps seal the paint onto the glass. And that's it. Your St. Patrick's Day shot glasses are ready to use. Would you make these for your St. Patrick's Day party? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what designs you would choose. If you'd like to see a variety of fun different arts and crafts, don't forget to subscribe. See you later!